Today we're going to talk about neurographic art. You need a piece of paper, a Sharpie, and I'm going to use some watercolors to color in. When we start neurographic art, we want to sit down, take a breath, and clear your mind. Neurographic art is about solving problems. A lot of people use this for healing. So you're supposed to take a few deep breaths and think about the problem at hand. For me this week, we're going to talk about grief, actually grief and stress probably. So it's a little combination of both for me this week. So that's what I'm thinking about. Now on the back of your paper, you could write a little note to yourself about what you're doing this about or what you want to solve. This isn't something that solves overnight, but this is something to help you process. We're going to start by making lines, random, continuous type lines. I'm just picking this corner and I'm letting my hand sort of do what it wants to do here. And I'm continuing until I feel like I want to stop. And when I want to stop, I go off the edge of the paper. I start on the edge, any edge, and I go off the edge of the paper. Here I have my finished drawing in this line drawing. So this was one continuous line that I did. By rounding off the corners, I'm talking about taking your Sharpie and literally just rounding off where the lines intersect. Now we're going to do this everywhere, and I'm going to speed up the video for you. Now that I'm done curving all my corners, I'm going to add some additional lines. So this is also part of the process. So I found this glass jar. So the idea is to just draw a circle. It could be any shape you want, by the way, and to add more lines if you feel like you need to. So I feel like this over here is a little incomplete, so I wanted to add there. And I'm probably going to look for something, maybe this, a little smaller, and add another circle here. Now, you're not supposed to judge or change what's happening. So this little bump here, I'm going to allow for this to happen because that might show a bump in my road. I don't really know. I don't really have an answer, but you're supposed to let those things happen. Now I'm going to just do some more curving of the lines here in the intersections. This is a very relaxing process. So I could feel myself relaxing, breathing, and letting things flow as I was doing this. Now I'm going to take my watercolors and I'm going to start painting in sections. This is my finished art piece. I loved rounding the corners. I thought that was really a lot of fun. The point of this whole exercise is you keep going until you feel done. So I know I have some white spots here. I'm sort of looking at that as the light getting in. And the colors to me symbolize the colors of healing. Thanks for staying with me till the end. I hope you enjoyed the Neurographic art. Okay, everybody, have a great weekend and thanks for being here.